Klover support usually responds faster when you contact them through the app's official help section with your account information already attached, instead of sending a standalone email with little detail. That gives the support team the information they need to investigate your account without asking for multiple follow-up messages. By the end of this video, you'll know what to do if Klover support isn't responding, how to speed up the process, and what to try while you're waiting. If you already submitted a support request, the first step is to avoid creating multiple new tickets. Every new request can reset the conversation or make it harder for the support team to track your issue. Instead, reply to your existing ticket if you have one and include any new information there. Next, make sure your request contains the details support actually needs. Include the email address or phone number linked to your Klover account. Describe the problem clearly, mention when it started, and attach screenshots if you're seeing an error message. A complete report is much easier for support to investigate than a one-line message saying the app isn't working. Now, check whether the problem is something you can fix yourself. Update the Klover app to the latest version from your device's app store. Make sure your internet connection is stable, then completely close and reopen the app. If the issue continues, restarting your phone can also help clear temporary app problems. If your issue involves bank connections, verify that your bank account is still linked correctly inside the app. If it's related to identity verification, double-check that all requested documents were submitted successfully and weren't rejected because of blurry photos or missing information. If you contacted Klover through email, check your spam, junk, and promotions folders. Some replies end up there instead of your main inbox. It's also worth confirming that you entered the correct email address when you submitted your request. If several days have passed without any response, send one polite follow-up instead of multiple messages. Reference your original request and briefly explain that you're still waiting for assistance. That keeps everything in the same conversation and makes it easier for the support team to review your case. To sum up, keep all communication in one support ticket, include complete account details and screenshots, and work through the basic app troubleshooting steps while you wait. Those actions solve many common issues or help support resolve your case faster. If this video helped, give it a like and subscribe for more simple app fixes and troubleshooting guides.